Hello everyone, welcome back to Zhang Jie's Wellness channel. Today we are going to learn about the 22nd solar term of the 24th solar term, the Winter Solstice. The fourth solar term of winter and also one of the earliest solar term recorded in history. It usually falls between December 21st and 23rd each year. On the winter solstice, the sun reaches its lowest altitude of the year, and daylight is at its shortest, marking the beginning of the coldest period of winter. The day before the winter solstice is called Winter Separation Day. There are 4 such separation days in a year, before the equinoxes and the solstice, moments when yin and yang energies shift and pull against each other. During this time, the body's qi and blood can easily become unbalanced. The kidneys correspond to the element water. Before the winter solstice, as the water sinks and stores in nature, the kidneys can become vulnerable to cold. So warming and nourishing kidney yang is especially important. On Water Separation Day, it's ideal to drink warming food such as angelic lamp soup with Chinese yam or longjing tea. Avoid overly salty food. The 3 stages of a winter solstice. First, Earthworm curl up, meaning that the earthworm in the soil close their bodies to conserve warmth. Second, deer sheds their antlers. As the yin energy begins to fade, deer naturally shed their antlers. Third, spring water flows. Mountain springs can still flow. After the winter solstice, the sun begins to return northwards, entering a new circle. As daylight gradually increases, the flowing spring water becomes slightly warmer. In southern China, families make offerings to ancestors and enjoy festival meal. Eating tangyuan is especially popular in the Jiangnan of China. Its round shape symbolizes reunion and completeness. Some regions eat tofu for good fortune, or enjoy roasted meat and ginger rice. Sweet potato soup with tangyuan is also traditional. Since the word sweet potato sounds like a turnip, eating them symbolizes turning bad luck into good. In northern China, people traditionally eat dumplings, believed help ward off the cold. Some regions drink winter brewed rice wine, flavored with osmanthus. After the winter solstice, nourish your body with ingredients like Chinese yams, lotus seeds, gorgon fruits, barley, red beans, jujubes, and white fungus. After the winter solstice, China enters the coldest period known as counting the nights. Starting from the solstice, every 9 days counts as 1 night until 9 cycles, 81 days, are complete. When the 9th night ends, spring begins to bloom. During the 3 nights, the coldest days, yang energy inside the body has just begun to grow and is still gradual. To stay healthy, keep warm, rest well, exercise moderately, and maintain a calm and peaceful mood to protect this rise yang energy. I hope today's winter solstice food therapy and wellness tips help you embrace winter with warmth and vitality. Thank you for watching Zhang Jie's Wellness channel. Wishing you good health and abundant energy as we prepare for the next solar term, lesser cold.